Abdali Grammar School, General Knowledge, Habitat. Lecture number 3, Chapter number 8, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Today we will learn about ecosystem. So let's dive in. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is made up of all living and non-living things in an area. Plants, animals, and other living things interact with soil, water, sunlight, and temperature. They also interact with each other. Ecosystems of different animals are different from one another. The ecosystem of a monkey is different from that of a fish. Let's move on to our next topic, adaptation. Living things have to adapt or change to live in their habitats. These adaptations are necessary to get food and avoid enemies. Some body parts of animals and plants help them live and grow in the habitat. Adaptations in plants. Cactus plants. Cacti are desert plants. These plants have long, thick stems that hold water. Short leaves and long spines protect them from animals that want to eat the leaves. Lotus plants. This plant grows in water. Its leaves are wide and disc-shaped. They float easily on water. They absorb a large amount of sunlight. Lotus flowers bloom white, pink, and yellow. These beautiful flowers attract insects and birds. Pine trees. Pine trees are very long. They are adapted to live in cold weather. They have needle-like leaves. These leaves keep the plant from drying out in cold weather. Pine seeds are enclosed in cones. Adaptations in animals. Camels. Camels live in deserts. Food and water are hard to find there. A camel's hump has fat. This helps the animal live without food and water for a long time. Polar bears. Polar bears live in polar regions. They are adapted to live in freezing cold. Thick fat layer under the fur keeps them warm. White fur protects them from enemies. Now let's discuss the effects of human activities on natural habitats. Like plants and animals, humans also benefit from natural habitats. But human activities are destroying them. Effects on land habitats. People clear forests to get wood and make settlements. Many plants and animals lose their homes due to deforestation. Throwing garbage here and there spoils land. Plants cannot grow in this land. This activity destroys habitats of many animals. Use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides affects plants, animals, and humans badly. Effects on aquatic habitats. Dirty water from houses, hospitals, and factories pollutes the water in rivers and seas. Water plants and animals may die in this water. Oil spill from a ship is a great danger for the life of animals living in water. Thanks for joining us in this education.